Welcome back to kinser'skeep. Happy almost Halloween.
This week has been draining, so we need a drink that will bring us back to life. And we know just the one.
But before we start drinking our corpse revivers, let's start with some history, shall we? You really do look beautiful, darling.
Corpse revivers are a family of cocktails that are consumed as hangover cures, therefore bringing you back from the dead. Many different corpse revivers have been made since the 1860s, but the most popular corpse revivers are associated with Harry Craddock and the Savoy Hotel in London.
And in the Savoy cocktail book lives the corpse reviver #1. Now, this cocktail consists of 3 ingredients: sweet vermouth, apple brandy or calvados, and cognac. Now, the mysterious ingredient might be calvados, but no worry. Calvados is essentially apple cider that's been distilled into brandy. Now, why would you use that instead of apple brandy? Well, some of us like an added depth of flavor. Now, this cocktail also usually consists of an ounce of each of the 3 ingredients, but since we love cognac so much, we're going to bump that spec up to 2 ounces. Now, when all's said and done, or dead and done, manipulate the measurements to your desire. But with all spirit-forward cocktails, mind your consumption. The Corpse Reviver is perfect year-round, really any time you need help coming back to life. So, are we ready? Of course we are. Hi, I'm Palpatine Adams, and today we are reviving a corpse, reviving a corpse, reviving a corpse, reviving a corpse, reviving a corpse. No, this is a serious cocktail. Dead serious. This is also a stirred cocktail, so grab your mixing glass, grab your jigger, and let's start by adding 1 ounce of Carpano Antica sweet vermouth, or whatever sweet vermouth you'd like, of course. 1 ounce right into the bottom of the mixing glass. Ooh. Delicious. Moving on to 1 ounce of calvados. We are using Boulard. 1 ounce right into the bottom of the mixing glass. Bloop, 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 bloop. You can really smell the apples. That brings us to cognac. We'll be using Hennessy, but use whichever is your favorite. And we're going to add 2 ounces right into the bottom of the mixing glass. Now remember, you can always go back to that 1 ounce measurement if you wish to slow your revival. 2 ounces. And just like that, we're almost there. Gotcha. Next, let's add a small piece of dry ice to your mixing glass. You don't want to add too large of a piece because you'll add unwanted carbonation as well as bite to your cocktail, and you will lose your velvety texture. Followed by 1 scoop of normal ice right into the mixing glass. Stir for 5 to 10 delicious seconds. Now, before we strain our cocktail, let's grab our coupe glass and add 1 Luxardo Maraschino cherry into the bottom. Make sure to get a little bit extra of that Marasca syrup. That will help balance out the strength of the cognac. Now let's strain our cocktail into our coupe glass. And that's the Corpse Reviver. And now for a taste. Trick-or-treaters!